Hello friends, as you can see finally we have snow. I live in West Germany. Here we got a little bit late snow. South Germany is already covered with snow. There is already too much snow right now there. But Aachen where I live, it is always late in getting snow. And but still now there is snow and it is looking really so beautiful. As an Indian, I'm living here for the last 8 years, but still I'm not full of this. I still want snow every year. After this snow there is some problems I will discuss with you. I will show you how the streets look like and how beautiful it looks. At the same time it can be also a bit dangerous, but still it looks very beautiful. It is not that cold right now. It is actually perfectly okay. So I'm not wearing cap, I'm not wearing mufflers, so much winter clothing. It's okay, but only when snow starts to melt, then it gets really very chilly. But till then it's really looking very good, and that is why we love Germany, because Germany has all the seasons: summer, winter, autumn, spring. So you can enjoy all the parts of the season all around the year and be happy. Let's enjoy with me.
So these clips I took from the night when it started snowing. I immediately took out my camera and started shooting it because I was not sure how much will be the snowfall. Most of the time it was snowing and it was melting. By the time it was morning, the snow will melt away. So I was not able to show you any of this snowfall. But right now it is snowing and it's really very pretty. Kids normally come outside in this snowy weather and they start making snowman, they start playing with snow, because fresh snow has its own charm. It's very soft, it's very good. It is not that cold at that moment. Only when snow starts melting, then it is a bit colder. In this red yellow box we donate clothes. These are the other buildings in front of my home, and look, it's looking so pretty. So this is a morning time, guys, and look, after the snow the city looks like that. Trees covered with snow, green trees have turned into white. And this is a supermarket Netto just in front of my home, so it is very easy for me to shop in all the type of weather. Like, I can easily shop, there is no problem. And shops are normally open from 7 o'clock in the morning till 9 o'clock in the night. This is a view from my other window backside, and this is how the tree is looking like. This is looking like the Christmas tree covered with snow, looking very beautiful. This was a snow bear which they made last night. Not snowman, but snow bear. Eyes were with cut tomatoes, and I really like the creativity. Look, roads are covered with snow, and inner roads normally people do clean them themselves in front of your home. You are responsible to clean the snow yourself, like this man is doing. I'm living here for the last 8 years, but still, whenever I see the snow, I get super excited. Before that, in Ireland also, we used to have so much snow. But still, being an Indian who has never seen snow in all adult life, all childhood, and now when I see the snow, I become again the child. And my kids are still actually are used to snow, because they have in childhood they have seen all the snow, they have played a lot. But me, I cannot resist playing with the snow. No matter how old you get, there are some activities which you enjoy. And I have made a mess of myself, but still, who cares? I was playing more than my kids. This is a small play area which they have made for the kids, jumping and balancing acts. And I really like this about Germany, because whenever if they are doing something with the kids, they really focus on the balancing motor skills. they can also take books from here, as free of cost. This is a car totally covered with snow. I will share this driving in snow on a different vlog where you can learn how to drive in a snowy weather. So yes, it's looking very beautiful right now. Totally white Germany, white trees, such a divine feeling. But the thing is, it is very difficult to walk on such type of snow, because when snow starts melting, it gets really very slippery. As you can see, the snow clearing service people don't come here to clean up. Snow just melts away, or people clean the snow on their own in front of their homes. But the thing is, you have to wear proper snow boots. Your feet should not get cold, or doesn't too cold that it makes you sick. So that is very important, that you take care of your shoes. They are very important, and gloves also. Otherwise it is not very cold that you will get you don't feel cold on the face or ears like that. But yeah, for hands, if you are playing with snow, you need gloves. And walking, need good shoes. You can see people are playing there on the snow, but there is no hilly area, so people can't play as such the way they normally do on the hills.
I hope you enjoyed this snowy weather with me, even if you are not having snow at your place, but you enjoyed this, all these trees, all these roads, and everything. And if you did, please hit the like button. Keep sharing with me your feedback in the comment box, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I will see you in my next vlog. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.